See, yeah, man, you see me, I say,
New York.
New York twice, you know.
Yeah.
New York. Florida. Florida.
Yeah.
Brooklyn. Yes, man. Brooklyn, New York. Sit up on the fridge.
Sit up on the fridge.
Brooklyn, New York.
Man himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Write it, medicine, write it down.
Hold it.
Want a brace?
Never break.
Need a brace now.
Me don't know them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
See, yeah, man, you see me, I say,
New York.
New York twice, you know.
Yeah.
New York. Florida. Florida.
Yeah.
Brooklyn. Yes, man. Brooklyn, New York. Sit up on the fridge.
Sit up on the fridge.
Brooklyn, New York.
Man himself.
Yeah. Where me in the kitchen cooking chicken, making work.
Twebs.
Twebs.
Big up in brother Twebs.
One love, and glad we visit. That's it. Of course. One love, and one gym team, and a family.
One family.
Yeah.
Straight.
So, show tips are going in the kitchen today. Wow, go on, whoa.
Don't tell the general I'm dealing already some fry.
Frying some dumplings.
See that? The kids them on fried dumpling and chips and everything. And we are doing some curry.
Watching the color. See them look like Jamaican color them getting on.
It's a Jamaican color.
Original Jamaican color.
Sunburn.
Yeah, you see. You see. Gold. Go on.
With the sunburn.
Nice, man. The festival can smell the flavor, man.
Nice, man. Always the production.
Yeah, man, sample the Worship Festival. Yeah. I think to the beach that TrenchTown right now, you know? Whoa, and we have the chicken foot on the menu. It's a curry chicken foot and some sliced fish.
So get the rice in line, man. So like rice. I'm ready, you know?
Yeah.
Man, just one,
You know, man.
some chips and tea, man.
Come in, say it's a blessing to have him on the ground. You know, we go again. It's another blessing. But it's our barge on the year, yeah.
Barge so come, man.
Barge on the year and light parks. The couple member don't reach us yet.
Yeah, cause well, I feel in the kitchen, you know. That with me, you know. I work with that in the kitchen.
Cooking chicken.
When I'm cooking chicken, we have to something. So it's a mark with that there. Yes, I said.
Yeah.
Dinner's with some dumpling.
Yeah, man, something for go on. So always done in the kitchen. So
Yeah. Cooking, anywhere it goes, anywhere it goes. Alright, twebs. It's a final reach.
Yes, man.
I tell me, so this will be the first stop.
First step, I'm the free reach from a land still, but you that say kind of late.
Yeah.
You understand? Could sleep good unless I reach us, brother. So
True. I would really appreciate that. Is it your first time in TrenchTown?
First time in years.
In years.
I used to play for Raytown.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So I'm baller.
Yeah, man.
I'm baller in the place then. See that you missed the competition, I could get a lecture look at a minute.
That's why I try for reach, but I just fly through some delay and all of that. That's how work we don't get.
Yeah. And you're supposed to highlight the next door on the program.
Which one?
Right here, so the craft shop. Remember you've seen that video with the Rasta man was send the
yeah, man, the stuff then.
Yeah, and when passed away. Yeah, he passed away, you know, so in love with me and Paglen. Let me show you how I go on. So you know this is the spot where I have.
I'm show you something for art right.
Yeah. I'm still in Mrs. in here. Alright, baby in here and girl in here. So this is Paglen one. This is right here. You know? So this is Twips. Come on, this one. And you have Paglen daughter, so this is a Paglen big daughter. Baby.
Change your mommy?
Yeah. Oh, this is Mrs. Way. They've been together for like what, 26 years? You know, 26 years.
For reaching a relationship.
Yeah, and she ain't been here for 26 years, you know, and they've been supporting each other financially, you know, and this been them financial support. This what they've been doing. Even when a guest come here, we can ask them if they can support them, you know, can buy a chain or something where we can make ends meet for them.
Yes, man.
You know, so we are try get that out there to the public, so whenever anyone come here, we'll just invite them in here, you know, see them where they can come support, you know, carry on film here, because as you can see, him leave a lot of work behind.
Without even something where the thing,
the art right here.
Even something like that.
Come here, this is it right here, so come, just have a look. Come grow here, so the grow here know the price in it. They sell them for $1,000 each.
And the price on the chain.
You know, we never know the price. You never know the price on the chain?
Like the ang.
Like the ang.
It's my lifestyle, like you.
Like the these like a 2.5. 2.5 for these. And we have these. These are these when I put a coconut shell. If you want for your mommy or signature daddy, these are coconut shells in here. This is in granddaughter Abby. Abby, come say hi. Abby, come say hi.
Nice meeting you.
Alright. So as you can see that she probably know the price, they know the price for everything, right? She don't really know the price for everything, so I like.
You have any 7? Yeah, I need a 7. No.
No, look round at the back. Look round at the back. Easy have the something. Easy talk.
Okay.
Man.
Oh.
This is what him start with first. This is what him start with first and go to 3 mile and him sell. Sometimes him sell one button for 150 and him come home with it. Him start with this. Sometimes you have to wash the cloth for him and so till him start make the necklace and something there. This is what him start with first.
These are all legends.
Pat Kelly this and Philip Fraser.
So I'm gonna need to do something before I leave though.
Yeah, man, I'm already
You
mad.
say you want the wrist thing,
the wrist thing
which is me know. You know I'm selling one of them for $1,000.
Anyone
So you know the price there.
Sign. Pisces.
On the camera.
Kino, you should have here. Them know what to do with it.
Work with that. Baby, put it on for the man, baby. Just put it on for the man. We know, man.
We don't know what to
Can you
do.
see there? Oh yeah, Pisces.
Yes, man.
See there. I know this is the same thing when you see the volcano stone when you go the arthritis. And you have my own
How much of that one here, mums?
homes.
How much of this one?
I think at the same I think I think $1,000. Yeah, let's
Only
see.
like this one cheaper, like these. Like all in 1 year. No. The absolute elastic.
Oh, the elastic ones.
Yeah, those are 5 years. Them finish.
Oh,
These
okay.
are $1,000.
Oh. See there, Mrs. Greer. Greer.
There you go.
God bless you.
Yes, sir. God bless you.
Give thanks.
Thank you very much.
We give thanks. So, that's really a blessing. Cause every time you look at this here, I remember the dream team headquarters right
Yes,
next to the
man.
craft shop. In loving memory of Parkland that passed away. So in business still carry on, see me. It's really true. It's been a trying one over the years. It's been a trying one over the years, as I can see.
What them call this again? Mums? Something.
After the I thinking too.
Thinking towards
Yeah. It's from the thinking too.
And the domino.
Yeah, they're from Domino.
Yes, domino. These are coconut shell. If you have meaning at every one of these,
Yeah.
you don't really know the meaning.
That-
People for bring still, so to do them last day.
Yeah. So when them come through, so them can come and visit.
See, make a misery with shoes.
Oh. Yes, the shoes. Yeah. These are the earring them. All different type. Yeah. So as you can see, there's a lot of work you leave behind. Gloria, keep your head strong for me, right?
Yeah,
That's
Happy
our
New
best.
Year again, you know?
Yeah. Well. Dream team one. Dream team. One team. And I make trips to it. Like how we welcome trips to TrenchTown. And we're gonna make him do it, you know? Cause he saw do it already. So we'll make him say it. Go and show trips.
Alright, ready?
Dream team. One team. Dream team.
Alright, so we're gonna welcome trips to TrenchTown. We'll give him a round of applause. You know. Yeah. It's a pleasure again, you know, so we got another guest again all the way from the US, you know, come look for the dream team for the good work we've been doing. So as we say, the good keep on reveal itself, because the good attract people seeing me back in TrenchTown. So you see, there is something good that we're doing. How my son, Treps?
Yes, man. And as I said to Kino earlier, I'm gonna every man right to say, follow the beer, I'm still in my 20s, you know, but I just the work with me soon now, though. Honestly, means I get to youth myself, I saw where I come from. And I reach in my place yet. I swear, you have somebody have to touch first. So
Bless it.
Energy.
So him say him not reach fame home yet. You know? So him really have to come here. So him say him couldn't even sleep. You know, cause him came yesterday, but through the too dark, so him come back today. So him couldn't sleep. So we have hero that pull up as well to town living hero. So as him say, it's more than a pleasure to have you here in TrenchTown, Trips, you know.
I say another last day, you know, because I'm supposed to forward back Saturday.
Alright.
All greatness, you know.
Yeah. So him say Saturday now, his wife will be here, you know.
Everything, you know. The presentation, dream team, my clean team.
Come through here.
Honest, you know.
Yeah. And see you have
Don't live in Europe, yeah?
The only living hero. So more I just give them a feedback on the work that we are doing here and how it impact everyone on the over as you as a viewer, you know.
So alright, for me, start out by when Jin thing. Then I watch it and what even draw my thing to it is I split me a bun and I relax. You know what I mean? And see the thing I go on and I hold a little vibes. My wife come in and see what I go on and she say, what is? Put her to it. At first she say, yo, now watch this Jamaican thing. When she see what really I go on and she come home from work, she
first thing.
At one point I don't think Tuesday used to come on.
Monday.
It used to feel a way like January, what really I go on? Just have to understand and know so everybody have their personal things.
True.
As I say, with me at my age, I bring in more youth who can sit down and watch it. And then I have a bridge, you know. Certain man in a certain thing, you know. When the man they watch Ali cry, and tears must drop from him and run.
Sure.
And from that, every man they tweet. As I say, I have some more people for forwarding. I just mean for touch the ground and show them say everything.
Everything good. So them say, we'll give me a round of applause, man. Welcome, man. So it's the Treps now. It's another prime example. Of giving us some feedback on the impact we are making on the overseas. You understand? So we have to look into what we are doing and believe in what we're doing. Yeah, man. You see me? So more and more people are coming here and tell us the same thing. So there's nothing wrong that we're doing. So individually we have to look for ourselves and say, you know, we have serve a purpose. You know, because that touch people. You know, because and we have serve the right purpose. You know, so let's believe.
It's not even the majority, or the minority go there and be able to take me and tell you. People see it around and not touch all our brother. And sister. All the way I feel it. You know what I mean? As myself, for me, as I get to you too, I go on. It's a joy. I swear, and just for there, so 5 years when I come to Jamaica, I'm never ready yet. And as I come, as I say, I hear some of them. My mother not even see me yet. I just make sure I have to touch the ground. I'm good. The energy I'm working and from I feel the energy I'm working.
See there, all natural. All natural. All natural. Right, so yeah. I really talk, man. I really talk. So it's no joke. So it's on the way to take this on board and move forward with it. With a plus, you know, it's a more motivate we know for continue do what we are doing.
It's a learning example, you know?
Yeah, so it's a plus. Yeah.
Marcus gave me tell us to love one another.
Yeah.
You know, that's
And Rasta Jack say unite to the stand. You know, man always tell you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's cool, man. Well appreciated, man. It's cool, man. Well appreciated, natural, all the way up. That's cool, man. Don't give me greatness, man. Every man come and give me greatness.
Yeah.
Everybody come and give me greatness, guys. Well appreciated.
I'll pay.
Everybody come and give me greatness. Well appreciated, yeah. Yeah, we have to appreciate everything. Everything. Well appreciated. Coming from my mindset, everything, the feelings, and what you say, everything. So I have to appreciate every minute and every moment.
Sure.
Everybody. You know? All viewers, everybody who connect the Dream Team.
True.
Everything.
Yes, natural. Yes, natural.
Everything what we say.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yes, natural. Yeah. Energy. Yeah. See you, man.
Yeah, man. Well, I appreciate it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Everybody have to come and hello. Natural. Stop to the game. Natural. Stop to the game. Yeah, man. Stop to the game. Yeah, man. Natural. Yeah. Love that. Yeah, man. Love that, man. Love that.
Yeah, man.
Loving it. Well appreciate it, yeah.
Rum Lord himself.
Yeah, man. Original grandma. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See the rum god.
Yeah. True. Lord God! Why?
Unite to stand.
Sure.
Unite to stand.
And divided way?
Watching the
Somewhere me grow with, I believe his righteousness is out to the nation. See this upon anyone. But we to be truly good, put Jah first and move forward in faith.
Sure.
We're not here to play, to dream, to drift. We have hard work to do, roots to live. We shall not be struggle. Face it, unity is strength. Strength is love. Love is Jah. Jah is victory.
Yes. Hello. One team. And you see 12 now. 12 he's younger than all of us out there, so he's the youngest out of everyone right here, so and him still take the time out to come here, so because you might see him and feel like say he's younger than the whole of it, you know, because he's still in his 20s and the whole of it. He may be younger than you, hero. He may be younger than you, of course. So we are sure you, man. Now you say yo.
It's the greatness of the Almighty. And the strength. And the perseverance. All pays off, you know?
Yeah, true.
Loving it, man.
I will sign it off and say Dream Team. One team. Dream Team. I know it's the only real team. 12, big up yourself. You know, round of applause, people. It's not dark. I got dark. Yeah, get dark. Put me too short. You have to go up on the wall and make somebody give you so you can see it. Put on your tip over. Even go make prefect pass it here.
Oh, man,
It must be a tip. Prefect you have to go because it must be a tip.
How are this? In a net, in a book. She boss back. With them swag and you did you know.
What you do?
In a listen. That's a car in you.
Man, tell you, the man, the general say, what, man? Bad, brother. When they get food, you're bad. I must bad. When they get food, you're bad. I must bad after you're bad. Get food, man. You need too much cane. You need too much cane. You need too much trash in your mouth. One more, leg up. Oh, we too much one time. See? Yeah, right this way. Right this way.
I can't see me.
Yeah, right this way.
That's just enough to do.
Alright. Okay, come on.
My last night.
Careful now. Wait, which one, please?
Right this way, right this way. Right this way. Yeah? So me I tell you.
Write it, let me see it, write it down.
Hold it.
Enough to kick, no.
Want a brace?
Side, I want brace.
Never brace.
Need a brace now.
I want that.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.